Hello and good morning, everyone. As we all know, cyber security and awareness program has been started by and initiated by Government of India, and all the schools have been proposed to start a cyber security awareness program among their students, teachers, and other staff members. So we are now in the second week of the program. The last week we have discussed all the matters that has been proposed by the program for the first week only, and now in the second week we are going to discuss the topics that has been framed for this particular week. And in this week the emphasis has been given on how to identify fake apps and some fake news. How can we identify fake newses, and how can I identify fake tweets and fake followers in Twitter? So let's move forward and get into the topic. So first of all, we need to know what are the reasons people spread this kind of rumors and fake news and all. The basic reason for some kind of people who are generally spread this kind of fake news is to get traffic into their website or blog, because as we all know, in every website and blog, Google always plays some ads, and once this type of websites or blogs get more number of visitors, they get paid from Google according to the policies. So if somehow you manage to publish any news that is extremely interesting or that draw the attention of the viewers, then it is highly possible to get more viewers or more followers into my site, and I can get much more revenue from Google using AdSense. So this is the main motto behind spreading of this kind of fake news and all. So we need to identify whether a news is fake or not, and also that is also applicable for fake apps also, because these kind of apps, they also generate huge amount of money based on the number of installation that has been taken place from Google Play Store. So once we install any app, then you may find some of the ads are playing in between when you are using the app, and based on the number of ads that has been played, Google generally pay the amount of money to the developer of the app or publisher of the app. So it is also very important for us to check whether any app is legitimate or not. So first let us check what are the main parameters that we need to check when it comes to checking the authenticity of any app. So let's assume this is my Google Play account, Play Store account. I am using it from my laptop. You can also check it from your mobile phone. So here we can see all the trending apps, and let's start with Arogya Setu app, which is one of the most installed apps in our mobile phones due to this COVID pandemic. So let's open it. So now we have opened Arogya Setu app, and we need to check all the parameters, major parameters, which can let us know that whether this app is authentic or not. So first of all, we need to check the logo. We need to check the logo, and a logo can help us identify whether the app is original or not. And we can also just scroll down and check the reviews. Next, we need to check the reviews and ratings. Once the rating is more than 3.5, there is a high chance for the app to be genuine, because all the fake and illegitimate apps, they generally get ratings below 3.5, even 1 and 1.5. so we need to check the ratings, and also we need to check few of the reviews from the top 5 reviews, and you can get an idea whether the app is at all genuine or not. You can even check the number of installation, total number of installation that has taken place. Here we can see total number of installation is huge, so we can rest assured that this app is genuine and original. Other than that, there is also you can see the developer name and developer details. You can also check permissions, I mean what are the things that from your device that can be accessed by the app. So you can also be safe, or you can also let yourself be safe before granting the permission, that what are the applications that can be accessed by the app automatically, like location, camera, and these are the other features. So before installing any app, I recommend you to open the Play Store from a laptop or desktop and check all these details, that what are the applications that this app is accessing. So these are very important things. So this can be done before installing any app, so you can get an idea whether the app is legitimate or not, and what are the applications this app is using from my phone. So let's move on to fake news now. So nowadays we can see many of the fake news that are being circulated over internet in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social platforms. So if you encounter any such news that created any doubt in your mind whatsoever, you can check it from Google Fact Checker, that is toolbox.google.com. There is a dedicated site offered by Google which is toolbox.google.com, where you can check the authenticity of any news, or even any trending news. What are the fake news which are being circulated all over the world, you can check that also. Suppose one of the recent trending news was the arrest of Aryan Khan case. So if I check Aryan Khan in Fact Checker, then we can find out the most circulated fake news. Like this is one of such. NCB team led by Samir Wankhede was attacked by drug peddlers. This was a fake news that has been already circulated in Facebook and Twitter, and the Quint is a popular media house. They have assured here that this news is absolutely false. One of such news is this particular picture. You can see one of the picture of Shah Rukh Khan. It has also been circulated all over the social media, that this is the current situation of Shah Rukh Khan while he was returning from jail. But this photo was also fake photo, and that has been told by News Mobile. So here you can check all the trending fake news and you can be safe from this type of news. Now let us check how can we identify fake followers and fake tweets. So first of all, we need to identify any fake followers. If someone is following us, then we must not follow them back, or we can even remove those followers from our account if they are not authentic. So let's check with one of the very authentic account, that is PMO India. If we search this account in this particular site, which is followeraudit.com, here if you say PMO India and you check here, so this is the authentic site, this is the genuine PMO India site. We can see total number of followers is 44 million, and these are the fake followers which this account has. So now you can check here 4.98% of fake followers are there in this particular account. So 4.98% of people who are following PMO India, they are fake. You can check the view fake followers from here, this link. All the fake followers will be identified from this link. Who are the inactive followers, even who are the active followers, you can check those also. So if you are having any Twitter account, you can check your account from here just by typing your account name, and you can check how many fake followers are there who are following you, and you can check all those fake followers. You can also check the inactive and active followers. So it is recommended to delete all the fake followers, and also you can also even delete the inactive followers. You can must keep in contact with only the active followers. So this is a very helpful site that can help us identify fake followers and fake Twitter accounts. So these are the three major parameters, topics which has been suggested by this this program, this say cyber safety and security program for this particular week. Every first Wednesday of each and every month, all the topics has been pre-structured, and we will continue discussing about those topics in the coming time. So get in touch with us, and hope this will help you to be safe on internet. Thank you very much.